Good morning, student, and welcome back. Okay, today we'll learn a poem. Its name is Leisure. That is 3.4. Okay, what do you mean by leisure? I hope you understand. Leisure एक ऐसा वक्त होता है where we spend a time enjoying the nature, whatever it is around you. Like फुर्सत का वक्त बोल सकते हैं where you spend the time with your family, enjoy it yourself. उस चीज़ को आप एंजॉय करते, नेचर को देखने के एक टाइम है तो फुर्सत का वक्त होता है जहाँ पे हम अपने आप को एनालाइज करते, समझने की कोशिश करते, एंजॉय करते जो आजू बाजू के नेचर्स में है. दैट इज़ व्हाट लेजर टाइम, दैट इज़ आवर लेजर टाइम. लेट्स सी व्हाट द पोएट हैज रिटन अबाउट दैट लेजर. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. No time to see when the woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in the grass. No time to see in the broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. No time to turn at the beauty glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile have her eyes begin. A poor life this is, full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. Okay, we will read this poem. Now we will try to understand what it is. It is written by William Henry Davis. Okay, the poet name is William Henry Davis. What is saying? See in the first two lines. What is this life is full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. What is this life? See nowadays, see your life. You are full of tensions, your workloads and all. We don't have even a single time to think about ourselves also. Your parents, especially your parents, उनको अपने बच्चों की चिंता रहती है. They care for the children. They try to work hard as they can do to for the preservation of the child life, to preserve the child life, to get the education for them and make the future bright for the child. सिर्फ बच्चों के बारे में वो सोचते हैं and keep on doing workload is more and they have no time to care for themselves or look at the nature and what the nature has provided us with such a beautiful scenes and all. So what is the poet is saying? What is the life is full of care, means we are always full of worries and thinking about others. We have no time to stand and stare. The nature has given us so many things so that we can just stand over and look at that glances. उनकी सब चीज़ें देखने के लिए नेचर को बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हम देख सकते हैं, निहार सकते. द स्ट्रीम्स, द माउंटेन्स, द नेचर, द बर्ड्स, द everything, the surrounding. There is so many full of life around in the nature, but we don't have time to stand and look at all these things. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stand and stare as long as sheep and cows. Here boughs means under the tree. Okay, branches of the sea. Here the boy is standing over under the tree. So what is they saying? No time to stand beneath the boughs. मतलब we don't have so much time to just stand over under the tree and watch the sheep and cows grazing over. ग्रेजिंग करता मतलब जब वो खेत में या इसमें जाके घास वगैरह खाते. वी डोंट हैव द टाइम टू सी द animals grazing over there. Look at that animals, how they are moving, what are their activities. No time to see when the woods we pass, when squirrel hide their nuts in the grass. While we are passing here and there, किसी काम से जा रहे, when we are moving with somewhere, we don't have the time to see the squirrels hide their nuts. That is also one excitement. एक चीज़ अपने जानने मिलता है कि कैसे स्क्विरल अपने नट्स को छुपा छुपा के पेट के बीचों में रखता है. वी डोंट हैव ऑल दिस टाइम्स टू जस्ट स्टेयर एट दिस थिंग्स. वी जस्ट कीप ऑन मूविंग विथ आवर वर्क. वी आर जस्ट मूविंग ईयर. जैसे मैकेनिकल लाइफ बन चुकी है हमारी, जिसमें हमारी लाइफ में ज़्यादा कोई फीलिंग्स थी यही नहीं रही, हमारे में फीलिंग्स कम होते जा रहे. वी आर जस्ट लीडिंग अ मैकेनिकल लाइफ, गोइंग, get up, do start your works and till the end of the day, then you go to sleep, no time for thinking anything. Where squirrels, no time to see in the broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. We don't have the time to see the streams. Okay, the streams that flows, they are twinkling in the broad daylight. मतलब सूरज की रोशनी में they twinkle करता, the water starting twinkling, we can see the twinkle, but we don't have the time to see the streams that are twinkling in the broad daylight, not even the stars that shines in the night. We don't have a time to see the nature at all. No time to turn at the beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to see the beauty. Means the trees, the plants just sway here and there with the winds. जब हवा चलती है तो हवा की लहरों से क्या है, पेड़ पौधे सब हिलने डुलने लगते. सो दे आर सेइंग दैट ब्यूटी ग्लांस, मतलब ब्यूटी को नाचते हुए हमारे पास देखने के लिए वक्त नहीं है. नो टाइम टू वेट till our mouth can enrich the smile our eyes begin. No time to wait till our mouth can enrich the smiles begins means that means that we have no time to watch a girl dancing, या वो किसी को देखते मुस्कुराहट उसकी पूरी कंप्लीट होने तक हमें उतनी फुर्सत नहीं कि उनकी मुस्कुराहट को देख सके. जो उनकी मुस्कुराहट खुशी उनकी आंखों में झलकती है या होठों तो खाती है, वो चीज़ें देखने के लिए भी हमारे पास वक्त, वी डोंट हैव सो मच टाइम टू लुक एट दैट ऑल थिंग्स. अ पुअर लाइफ दिस इज if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. What the poet is saying is concluding the poem saying that our life is a poor life. It is full of tensions, worries, and caring for. We have no time to stand, and so that this is the only reason that we don't have any time to stand and just stare at the nature, the beauty we are having around us. This is what it is explained in the poem. Okay, we'll start again. What is this if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep or cows. Our life is full of worries and caring and all, so that is the reason why we don't stand and stare. Our life has become very mechanical nowadays, competitive. This is हर चीज़ में कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं, भाग दौड़ लगी रहती है लोगों की, उनको किसी और की बात सुनने में फुर्सत नहीं है, देखने में फुर्सत नहीं है, किसी चीज़ का एंजॉय करने में ना तो उनके पास वक्त रहता है. दे फाइंड दैट किसी चीज़ को एंजॉय करना, एक्सपीरियंस करना वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम समझते हैं. आजकल की लाइफ ऐसी हो चुकी है. तो दैट इज़ व्हाट द पोएट इज सेइंग, वी डोंट हैव टाइम टू स्टैंड एंड स्टेयर. नेचर को पेड़ के नीचे बैठ के, पहले के ज़माने में ऐसा लोग सुस्त ये करते थे नेचर को. Some of the people even do now also. If they get that time, just go and sit in the garden, yeah, under the tree and see what the cattle and grazing. The peoples are passing here. Then what are the activities going on there? Some of the people do, but we are such nowadays. Life has become such a complicated, competitive everything that we don't have the time to all these things. We just go on completing our work throughout the days, and at the end of the day you are tired up and you go to bed and have a sleep. No more thinking about anything else. So it is no time to see the broad daylight, streams full of stars. मतलब the streams are twinkling. The पानी जो बह रही है नदी की और झरने जो भी है सूरज की रोशनी से वो क्या चमकती है. We have no time to see that also. We just pass on from there. We have no time to see the sky and the stars twinkling at the night. We even don't have the time to see the beauty glance. मतलब we don't have the time to see the girl dancing over there. Here we can say that the beauty is given to the nature. Here we can say it as a girl also, and we can say think as nature also. We are thinking about the nature also. The watch of feet and how they dance. We don't have the time to see watch of feet how they dance. No time to wait till a mouth can enrich the smile एंड विद दैट स्माइल आवर आइज बिगिन, मतलब किसी की मुस्कुराहट देखने तक, किसी के आंखों में जो खुशी झलकती है वो देखने में भी हमारे पास वक्त नहीं होता. वी जस्ट मूव ऑन. So at last what the poet is saying, that our life is a very poor life where we don't have a time to think over, enjoy the nature, see the pleasures, pleasant times and all, everything, whatever the happiness, whatever the surrounding it is full of, we don't have the time to stare, to watch them. So our life is a poor life. If we are not able to enjoy all these things, then our life is useless. अगर हम कुछ कर रहे हैं तो ये सब नेचर क्या है, एन्जॉय करने की चीज़ है. इफ़ यू आर नॉट एबल टू एन्जॉय द नेचर, देन आवर लाइफ इज़ अ यूजलेस लाइफ. Okay, this is what the poem is. See, in the first page it is given the daily routine of your mother and father, see, on working days. How your family relaxes on the weekend. This is the question you have to ask yourself. Then you will get the reply. आपकी मम्मी पापा के डेली रूटीन क्या है जब वो काम करते हैं. How your family relax on the weekend. Do you go outside at the weekend? Many of them don't go. Even rather one or two people will be going there. मतलब कोई ऐसे होंगे फैमिली जो वीकेंड में रिलैक्सेशन के लिए कहीं और जाते हैं, नेचर को एंजॉय करने या अपने फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय करने के लिए. Most of them don't do. When you go for a picnic, and what and how do you enjoy? Okay, when you go for the picnic, how do you enjoy? Do you go to, that is also one of questions over there. Do you spend time admiring and thinking over the beauties of the nature? Elaborate your response. This is that, do you spend the time admiring the nature? And what are the थिंकिंग अबाउट द ब्यूटीज ऑफ नेचर. आप नेचर के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. दिस इज ऑल द क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू आस्क योर सेल्फ. एंड इफ देयर इज द थिंग यू कैन एक्सप्लेन इट इन द वर्ड्स, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन इट. इट इज गिवन अस to elaborate your response. Okay, this is what we have. I have finished this poem. Thank you.